Once upon a time, in a bustling town, lived two curious inventions, a compass named Navigator and a microscope named Explorer. Navigator, the compass, was known for guiding sailors across vast oceans, helping them find their way. Explorer, the microscope, was renowned for unveiling minuscule worlds, revealing secrets hidden to the naked eye. One day, they discovered a mysterious illness affecting the town's plants. The plants were wilting, and the town was losing its vibrancy. Navigator felt helpless, as he could not guide through the affliction. Explorer, on the other hand, felt restless, as he could not see the cause of the problem. A wise old owl, who lived in the town's library, overheard their conversation. Seeing their concern, the owl suggested, "Why don't you join forces and help each other? Navigator, you know the big picture, and Explorer, you can see the small details. Together, you might find a solution." Navigator and Explorer agreed and set off to study the diseased plants. Navigator guided Explorer to the affected areas, while Explorer examined the plants under his microscope. As Explorer peered into the microscope, he was amazed by the tiny organisms causing the illness. He shared his findings with Navigator, who, using his knowledge, traced the spread of the disease throughout the town. Together, they discovered that the illness was caused by a newly arrived beetle, which was feasting on the town's plants. Navigator and Explorer shared their findings with the townspeople, who took immediate action to eradicate the beetles. The town's plants soon began to recover, and the vibrancy returned. The people celebrated their victory, and the compass and the microscope were hailed as heroes. From then on, Navigator and Explorer worked together, reminding everyone that sometimes, the best solutions come from combining different perspectives. And so, the tale of the compass and the microscope teaches us that by working together, we can overcome even the greatest challenges, and that no matter how big or small, each of us has a unique perspective to offer. The end.